them know right now, yeah. We know about their life. Let them know right now. They come from this dark night to see the light. Wake up to see what is truly right. We are used to watching life on the screen instead of living our own. It's their master plan to keep us stuck in the clouds. They'll blow their false rules to your mind. Let them know